Hello there, welcome to the Inventory Pro Knowledge Base. Right now I'm going to show you guys how to create custom fields for the enterprise account user. So right now we are on the dashboard. We are going to go over to the left tab and we're going to scroll all the way down to settings. Once on settings, you'll see fields and areas. This is where we can manage all the fields and areas we've created. Inventory is where we'll create custom fields for inventory items. Here is where we'll create custom fields for client fields, for reservation fields, and for logistics fields. So real quickly, I'm going to go to the inventory tab and just show you guys what a current inventory item detail contains. So you'll see we have this general area. We have stock details for the location. We have manufacturing details, and then we have item notes. And if we go into settings, we select inventory. We'll select inventory field customization. You'll see that these fields are organized just how our inventory items are organized. However, this is the settings page, so we can come in here and add new fields. We can delete fields that have already been created. You will notice that some fields do not have a delete options. Those are standard fields that come with the system. And the reason you're not able to delete them is that they are part of the system logic, whether for running reports or for reservations or statuses, etc. Another thing you'll notice is this icon up here. The one to the right, the dots, allows you to move areas so that you can change the location of different areas within the space. But this eye icon will let you actually hide areas or fields from client view. So if you have a field that you do not want clients seeing, such as replacement cost, or any other type of field, serial number, you can select the eye icon. It'll ask for confirmation, and then it'll hide that field from the view of the client. As the enterprise user, we will still always be able to see that field. However, the clients will not be able to see it. This replacement cost field was a custom field already created, so I do have the option to delete it. If you do want to grant client view, you just select the eye icon again. And now you'll see it's in the bold black, meaning the client can view that field. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add a whole new area. We'll call this the training area. And if we scroll down, you'll see that our training area is right here. I do have the option to delete it. And then we are going to drag this area closer to the top. We're going to put it right at the top. And then I can add new fields. You'll see that we have all different types of fields that we can add. We can add a text field. Add a couple different field types so that we can show you this in the example. We can add a checkbox. We can add a date picker. And remember, we do have all these different field types. We do have file upload and user. User allows us to select users that are in the system. And these fields that I'm editing right now and creating, I am creating them for inventory items. But again, they can be, you can create custom fields for your reservation fields, logistics, and clients as well. So now we are going to go to inventory item again. We'll select any inventory item. And you'll see our new area is right here. If we want to add info to it, we're just going to edit, nickname, training cart. It is new. We can give it a birthday, June 17th. And you'll see this list of users is the same users of the enterprise account. So when you do use a user field, it's allowing you to select users of your enterprise account. Now when we go to look at reservations, you will see that we have all these fields for reservations. So when you create custom fields, you're going to be creating fields in these locations. You can create areas as well. Same goes for logistics and for clients. And that's all going to be found on your settings tab. You complete the same process for each one. It just determines what fields you want in each area.